In this lecture, we will talk about increasing and decreasing function. If x increasing leads to y's increasing, then the function is called an increasing function. Here is an example. F of x equals radical x. You see 1x is increasing from 0, 1, 4, 9. And 1x equals 0, radical 0 is 0. X is 1, radical 1 is 1. X is 4, radical 4 is 2. Radical 9 is 3. So x goes from the smallest to the big number. Y goes from the smallest to the big number. 0, 0 is right here. 0, 0. And 1, 1 is right here. 0, 0, 1, 1 is here. 4, 2 is here. 4, 2. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and when x choose 1, y is 1. When x choose 2, when x choose 4, y is 2. Okay, so you see x goes from 1 to 4, from smaller 1 to the big number, and y goes from 1 to 2. So the graph looks like increasing in this case. Okay, so this function is called the increasing function. There is another kind of function which is called decreasing function. Here is the example. Now, if x is increasing leads to y's decreasing, then the function is called a decreasing function. Here is f of x equals 1 over x. Everyone knows. For the same numerator 1, one denominator is bigger, the whole number is smaller. What's the meaning for that? Look. One half has denominator 2. 1/3 has denominator 3. 3 is bigger than 2. Denominator is bigger, the whole number is smaller, right? Yeah. 1/2 apparently is bigger than 1/3. Okay. That's why this one is decreasing. Here is the details. You plug in 1/2 here. 1 divided by 1/2 is 1 divided by 1/2. You flip 1/2, make this division to multiplication. So 1 times 2 over 1. 2 over 1 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, those are details here. So x equals 1/2, y is 2. And x equals 1, you plug in 1 here. 1 divided by 1 is 1. X is 2, you plug in 2 here. So that's 1 over 2, which is 1/2. Okay, and here are negative numbers. So let's look at the positive one. You may study the negative one. When x is 1/2, you have a number right here. Then you have a y is 2. So here is 1/2, 2. When x is 1, y is 1. So 1, 1 is here. When x is 2, y is 1/2. So you see when x is 2, and then y is 1/2. Okay, so you can see when x goes from smaller number 1/2, then a little big 1, and then 2. The y goes from 2 to 1 to 1/2. Okay, so here is from smaller to bigger, and here is from bigger to smaller number. So this function is a decreasing function. Okay, so if you choose any 2 points, x goes from 1 to 2, from the smaller to bigger, and y goes from 1 to 1/2, 1 to 1/2, from the bigger to smaller. So this kind of function is called decreasing function. And you can see those two are different. This one is climbing. Okay, this line is climbing. And this one, you see, is going down. So this kind of functions, one is called increasing, another is called decreasing. Okay, and here so is the case for that. You know, -2 is smaller than -1. Okay, yeah, you see, -2 is right here, -1 is right here. Yeah, numbers on the left is smaller than the numbers on the right. So 1 is less than 2, -2 is less than 1. And then -1/2, yeah, that's right here. Oh, -1/2. Okay, -1 is here, -2 is here. So when x is -2, that's for x. X is -2, y is higher, -1/2. And then when x is -1, bigger, from smaller to bigger, and y is lower. Okay, you see 1, -1, right here. Okay, so this side is also decreasing. Okay, I'll see you next time.